Hi there. If you are here, it means you successfully assembled your robot and ready to start programming it. Congratulations. This is a short tutorial will demonstrate you how to use mobile application in order to animate robotic arm. Let's get started. This is a profile panel. Profile is RoboArm animation. Animation consists of points, robotic arm positions. The first button is the Help button. It will open video tutorial. The second one is drop-down list with all profiles. And here you can see the current active profile. Once it presses, list of all profiles comes up. You can switch between profiles, but be aware, if you select other than current profile, the first initial start point of selected profile will be activated, so that robotic arm will move and take this position. Regarding the animation points, I will say later. Then there are buttons to rename profile, add new one, or delete. The last button in row is play animation button. Once you press it, animation will start from the first point and will go point by point to the last point. RoboArm will move to these predefined positions with specified delays. The second panel queue of points. Point is a robotic arm position. This list visually represents points order. Point can be shifted forward and backward, added and deleted. But there is one exception. Start and last points are constant and cannot be modified. Start point and last point are equal. Let's move on, and here we see point editor panel. Once you add a new point, the point replicates values of the last selected point. You are able to rename point for your convenience. Specify delay in seconds. In prior RoboArm will move to this point. And manage point position in animation queue. As I mentioned before, point is a RoboArm position. Robot position is configured by 5 servo drives. In order to change angle of each servo, tap correspond button. Move appropriate slider. In the beginning, please use only buttons to avoid robot damages. Once you get more experience, feel free to use slider to speed up programming process. Overall, adding point by point you create animation. My recommendation movement will be more smoothly if you specify no more than 1 or 2 servo changes at one point. And good luck with experiments.